Believe it or not, we are on the ice here in Kentucky. It is pretty impressive how cold it has been the last couple weeks. It's set up for some really solid ice conditions and given us an opportunity to catch a few crappies. Nothing crazy, a lot of crappies like that in this couple thousand acre reservoir. It has been crazy how cold it's been. I mean, all across the country. I was just in Florida fishing some bass tournaments down there, and I mean, we were in Lake Okeechobee and it was 30 degrees tournament morning, so it has been a pretty good cold snap here in the eastern part of the U.S. that's set up for some awesome ice fishing opportunities. Not really get to do this very often in Kentucky. I'm from Michigan, so go to school here and fish for school in Kentucky, so it's a cool opportunity while I'm down here to get on some ice. It's catch some bluegills, crappies, get to do some fun here, some winter things that I'm used to doing at home in Michigan down here in Kentucky. So stick around, we're gonna catch a few nice panfish. There we go, that's just a little guy, but oh, baby, good Lord. Giant crappie. Absolute unit. There's a decent one. Should be. He ain't big, but he's a Kentucky crappie. Through the ice. It looks a little different out. We had to come back out the next day because the bite was slow last night. Didn't have much time and it was not very good. So we came back out today and the bite's been a little better. There's some fish around. Got a little bit more time so we catch a few more crappies. Ooh, that one smoked it. Good gracious. Oh, you know, the average size crappie. Absolute giant. That's crazy. Little babies. What is up with that? Nice if they get a little bigger. There's a decent crappie. Finally, that was really cool. It's 25 foot right here. And that fish marked it right at about 6 foot. And he came up and absolutely smoked it. There's a decent little crappie through the ice in Kentucky. It's kind of cool. Looks like the decent ones are way up high in the water column. That'd be another eater if I was keeping them. Yeah, that was cool. That crappie came in all the way right here. That other good one I caught came all the way up, probably about 6 foot down. You reel right up to them, they come up and smoke it every time. All of the ones down in here are super tough to get to bite, but the ones up here are not. That one smoked it. Not too bad a one. When they decide to eat it, they eat it pretty good. There's another one right under the ice. That thing was 4 foot down. That is not a decent one. Like the other ones are up high. Those were decent fish. This is a pipsqueak. There's one of those shad balls down there. I haven't caught really any crappies on the shad balls, but there's a bunch of them around here, and I think that's why there's crappies in here. There's all kinds of bait. That might be a decent one. Ooh, yeah, that feels pretty good. Yes. Oh, oh, it's a little wiper. That's pretty freaking cool. I was wanting to catch one of those. That thing's sick. He ain't a big one, but that's a fun one. Just running a simple little jig and a little minnow plastic on there. I mean, crappie candy. They're not too particular. Crappies eat just about anything through the ice that's small. But simple little presentation that in this dirty water, something bright like that gets the job done. Ooh, that's a decent one. Ooh, snag. Decent little crappie. Ooh, yeah, there's a little decent crappie. That's actually, that might be a black crappie actually. Most of them are whites. This one looks like a black crappie. There's a decent one. Well, that's a wrap there. Nice little crappie. Nice little wrap on the day. Super cool little outing. Got to catch some crappies and even got to catch a hybrid striper out here through the ice in Kentucky. Crappies weren't too big. Caught a couple decent eaters if I were going to keep them, but honestly, it was just cool to get out here and ice fish in Kentucky. That was awesome.